Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
What a beautiful view to see downtown Ashland. Seeing the rain return to the Rogue Valley. Some of that rain is coming down at a pretty good clip, and snow levels are quickly dropping, especially with how heavy the precipitation is. It can drop those snow levels a lot faster, and even now starting to change over to some snow in the basin. And we're seeing some snow heavier at times up towards Lake of the Woods. Final day today of the big kite festival. And we should see at least a few inches of additional accumulation as we head through tonight. We'll talk more about snow totals in a bit. Also some spotty activity as you head further to the east, especially into parts of Modoc County. Current temperatures much cooler as that cold front has slid on through. Also the precipitation cooling things down. Now 34 in Klamath Falls. That's why we're seeing that changeover from rain to snow. 46 in Montague and 47 in Mount Shasta. It's possible we could see a few snow showers or flurries late tonight, but we don't really expect really any accumulation. Snow levels quickly drop through the evening down to as low as 2,500 feet later tonight, maybe as low as 2,000 feet in some spots. But the rain and snow shower activity, how widespread it is, it's really going to taper off later on tonight into tomorrow morning, and then snow levels come up later in the day tomorrow, so we will see some improved travel weather. But even though the winter weather advisory above 5,000 feet for the Cascades and Siskiyous, it goes till 11 o'clock tonight. That's when we'll see the most widespread and heaviest snow. We'll still see some slippery conditions even if you're heading over the passes tomorrow morning. New snow amounts mainly between about 3 to 6 inches. Here's a closer look at snow amounts. Some higher terrain areas in Siskiyou County getting some fairly minor accumulations. A closer look up to 4 to 6 inches up at Crater Lake, 3 to 6 inches when all is said and done at Lake of the Woods, at least a few inches at Mount Ashland. But even the Siskiyou Summit could see a quick 1 to 2 inches, maybe towards Warner Mountain Pass as well. Taking a look at winds, it is blustery out there, especially for the east side. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in some spots. Locally, some higher wind gusts where we do have a wind advisory until 7 o'clock tonight, and then winds will come down a bit later on tonight, but still a little bit breezy through some of the higher terrain. Scattered rain and snow showers will taper off later tonight down to 33 in Medford, 22 in Klamath Falls. Tomorrow, a cooler day. Definitely a big change in our weather from what we've seen over the last week. A high of 47 in Klamath Falls, 46 in Mount Shasta, and 49 in Medford. Skies will clear for much of the area. You'll see that here with Stormcast. A lot of clouds in the morning, but a lot of areas, especially in the basin, Northern California, seeing clearing skies. But there will be clouds that kind of are a bit more stubborn for parts of the mountains, and then also even in the Rogue Valley. Expect partly cloudy conditions at least through much of the day, and then Wednesday staying dry. Temperatures will start coming up as well for the Rogue Valley, especially as we get towards Thursday with highs in the upper 50s. So your 7-day forecast for the coast, some brighter weather, breezy as well. Temperatures getting in the lower 60s for highs by Thursday. Northern California, we will see a stretch of some dry weather again. Temperatures warming up as we head later into the week. The Klamath Basin, we're going to see some cold nights ahead down to the 20s and teens, but those afternoons will get milder, getting back into the 50s for highs, especially by Thursday and Friday. The Cascades and Siskiyous, still some slippery passes into tomorrow morning, but then some pretty good travel weather the rest of the week. We're watching another storm system to come into the picture Sunday into Monday. For the Rogue Valley, bit of a cool down, temperatures below average for a couple of days, but we'll see some milder weather here by the end of the week.
Really glad we just got that rain, though.
It's much needed for sure.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, Matt.